good, Che Posse? So today I am going to be doing wash day, and I am also going to be doing a replenishing hair mask.
So here I have all the products that I use for my wash day. So we have my 9-row Denman Brush, some hair ties, my shower cap, lemon, avocado, peppermint oil, TRESemme Luxurious Moisture Shampoo. And you can actually get this in a twin pack with a conditioner for $7. Take the TRESemme, mix the Grape Seed Oil into the TRESemme and the conditioner. What that does is provide extra moisture to your hair. Once you begin washing your hair, you're going to wet your hair with warm water so that you can open up the hair cuticle. Then you're going to apply your shampoo at the roots and work your way, lathering your hair up, especially at the scalp, to cleanse the scalp. 2 shampoos ensure a very clean scalp. You don't want to put that shampoo on your ends because it will make your ends very brittle, and that defeats the purpose of doing this DIY replenishing hair mask. Once I am done rinsing, I part my hair in 2 parts, just like if you're going to make 2 ponytails. Now I'm going to take my hair and begin to section it off into 3 ponytails on each side.
I am then going to get my Denman Brush, my 9-row brush, and begin to detangle my hair from the ends and work my way up to the roots. Now I'm going to take my hair and use my ponytail holder to secure the roots. This is going to allow my hair to be more stretched because I'm not applying heat to dry my hair. So really quickly, I wanted you guys to see how my ends look before I actually apply my replenishing mask to my ends. So take a good look at it. You can see my hair is very thick and full. It is very healthy for the most part. But as you can see, I have those straggly ends there, and they're very noticeable, especially when my hair is wet. Yikes!
Once my hair is dry, I apply my Shea Moisture Low Porosity Protein Free Leave-In Detangler Conditioner. It's also sulfate free. I use this, I apply like a dime size amount to my fingertips with a little bit of grape seed oil, and then I begin to undo my twist so that I can get my hair at this stretch position that it's in. Nala. I have never done a limp check before, so I'm just kind of like pulling my hair to see if it's grown. And Che Posse, I'm just gotta say though, like my hair is growing. Here is a before picture on the right side, and that's my ponytail now.
And it's a wrap for this video. Ha, cha, cha, cha.